To measure an angle, we're actually measuring two lines. Fortunately, we have an angle button which will measure these two lines for us on our readouts. We simply push this angle button and it prompts us to measure or probe the first leg of the angle. To do this, we measure our line. Remember that all lines require a minimum of 2 points. After we've taken our first 2 points on our first line, or our first leg of the angle, we push the finish button. Now the readout is prompting us to probe the second leg, or probe the second line of the angle. Again, we'll probe the second line with a minimum of 2 points, and we push the finish button. This completes the angle measurement, and the readout reports an angle measurement of 157 degrees. We can view this in both DRO modes and in view mode. In view mode and DRO mode, you can change the angle type. The default is included. To change the type, click on the word included. A pop-up list will appear over on your left, and you can select -180. That will give you 22 degrees, or +180, which will give you 337 degrees, or -360, which will give you 202 degrees. The actual angle we're looking for would be the -180, which gives us an angle of 22 degrees, 51 minutes and 52 seconds, as shown here. This can then be toleranced. To enter a tolerance, we click the tolerance button, then click the available angle tolerance, key in the nominal. We'll key in 23 degrees for the nominal, plus or minus 0.5, 0.5. And you see that our angle measurement has failed tolerance. We have a total deviation of 8 minutes, and we keyed in a tolerance of 5 minutes. This is a failed condition. To find the apex of an angle, or the intersection point of these two lines, we simply click on point, and instead of measuring a point, we select the angle from the feature list over on the left hand side, and then we push the finish button. This gives us the X and Y intersection point, or apex point, of our angle. This is how you measure an angle and construct an intersection point in the angle.